Hey there! Today, we're going to look at how to create quick arrows in AutoCAD without any accompanying text. So, let's get started. First, write the steps exactly as given in the script, keeping them simple and direct. Over here, make sure every important action is included. Then, remove any unnecessary explanation. Then, after that, begin by typing the leader style command in the AutoCAD command line. Press Enter to open the leader style settings. Over here, AutoCAD will show options to create a new style or modify an existing one, so choose Create New Style to continue. Then, after that, go to the Leader Structure tab, find Automatically Include Landing option, and disable it immediately. Over here, this will remove landing lines from your arrows, keeping them clean, simple, and precise. Then, after that, open the Content tab, select Multi-Leader Type, and set it to None to remove any text box from the arrow. Over here, now go to the Leader Format tab, adjust arrow size, and choose your preferred arrow head style for better design control. Then, after that, click OK to save all settings and confirm your new leader style. Over here, now select your newly created leader style from the list and start using clean arrows in your drawing without any text attached. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.